If you've ever noticed anything that is incorrect or needs to be added to the radio reference database, let me show you how easy it is to do just that. So over on the screen, we've got the main radio reference webpage, mobile view, of course, and we're going to go ahead and click on the database. Then we're going to click on submit, and now we have an option. We can either submit conventional radio data or we can submit trunked radio data. So let's start by taking a look at conventional radio data. I'm going to click on start. And then if you want to see what an ideal submission looks like, you can go ahead and click up here. This is just something that says that you've monitored the frequencies and you can confirm that these are actually in use. And then you've broken down some heading, some categories, and then the frequencies, the PL codes, and their use. Okay, something like this makes it really easy for us administrators to add this into the database. But it's definitely not a requirement to submit the form in that fashion. So let's go ahead and click on the country. And then we'll click on the state, and I'll pick New York because that's where I am. And then we'll pick on a county, so let's just pick New York City. And then I'll pick an agency, so I'll just go NYPD, right? So we enter our data here, so I could put something like NYPD testing group, and then I could put in a frequency, right? So I could do like 460.0125, NFM, PL 114.8, call sign, and then we can call it NYPD test. And then we can say NYPD testing frequency. You can also add I monitored NYPD doing radio testing with their P25 trunk system patched into this frequency. I haven't. I'm just using this as an example, right, of something that you could add to this so that an administrator knows what this is. And then as you scroll down, you can remain anonymous or yes or no. And then once you're ready to, you can go ahead and click on Submit Data. The process is very similar when it comes to trunked system data. Click on Start, click on your country, click on your state, click on your county, and then pick a system. Then go ahead and you can just submit your data. And then again at the bottom of the page, you can pick to remain anonymous, yes or no, and then submit the data once you're ready to submit. And just like that, you have sent a submission into the radio reference database. Now, again, if you know of anything that is incorrect or something that needs to be added or even removed, please open a ticket with the radio reference database. Again, this database is a community-driven database, and it is only as good as the information that is provided. So if you know of something that is incorrect, something that needs to be changed, something that has to be added or deleted, please make sure you submit it to the radio reference database because, again, it's a community database driven by us, those that are involved with the scanner radio hobby.